Hello students, today question is consider a reaction which is carried out at 27 degrees Celsius. Now if we increase the temperature from 27 degrees Celsius to 57 degrees Celsius, the rate of the reaction becomes 4 times faster. In this condition, we have to calculate the energy of activation for the reaction. This is a question. This kind of questions can be easily solved if you know a simple equation called Arrhenius equation. Let's see how to find out the answer. First, we have to convert the degree Celsius to Kelvin. Temperature 1, T1 equal to 27 degrees Celsius, right? So, 27 plus 273 equal to 300 Kelvin. T2 equal to 57 degrees Celsius. So 57 plus 273 equal to 330 Kelvin, because 1 degree Celsius equal to 273 Kelvin. Okay, so temperature 1 is equal to 300 Kelvin, temperature 2 equal to 330 Kelvin. Now write the Arrhenius equation. Arrhenius equation is nothing but logarithm of K2 by K1 equal to EA, energy of activation, divided by 2.303 into R. T2 minus T1 divided by T1 into T2. This is Arrhenius equation. We have to find out energy of activation from this. Now substitute all the values. Here K1 is nothing but rate of the rate constant for the reaction at 27 degrees Celsius. Rate constant for the reaction at 57 degrees Celsius. When we increase the temperature from 27 to 57 degrees Celsius, the rate of the reaction becomes 4 times faster, right? So log K2 by K1 value is 4 equal to energy of activation divided by 2.303 into R value is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole into T2 minus T1. T2 is 330 Kelvin, T1 is 300 Kelvin. Okay, so we get 30 Kelvin divided by T1 is 300 Kelvin into T2 is 330 Kelvin. Now cancel the units. Kelvin will be cancelled. Kelvin per Kelvin will be cancelled. Now log 4 value is 0.6021 equal to energy of activation divided by 2.303 into 8.314 joule per mole into 300 into 330. Here 30, right? Now this equation can be written like this: EA equal to 0.6021 into 2.303 into 8.314 into 300 into 330 joule per mole divided by 30. Calculate these values, we get 38040 joule per mole EA value. This value can be written like this: EA equal to 38.04 kilojoule per mole. So energy of activation for the reaction EA equal to 38.04 kilojoule per mole. If you like this video, follow and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.